Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another quick haul for Dollar Tree and Five and Below, and Max Deals. So stay tuned for all the goodies. Now let's get the essentials out of the way. You already know I'm a Strong and Soft loyal fan. They're Dollar Tree's paper towels, 140. A roll for 125, not bad. Also, another essential, these bags. I will say these are very needed. This is great for organization. And again, for some reason there was some delay in delivery, or I don't know if they were held up in some kind of warehouse, but again, essentials by Dollar Tree, they really are helpful. This is their double XL, really holds a lot. If you have like, perhaps some quilts and sweaters you want to put away, this is ideal, especially for spring cleaning right now. And, for the smaller, items that you might want to put away, toys and whatnot. And these are three. This is the multi-pack. 3 bags. For large size, not bad. From their essentials line, not bad. These are really great, so keep these in stock. If you see them, snag them. My kitchen bags, I think I mentioned in my other haul that they had some vanilla scented bags, and they were really nice. They were pretty decent. They didn't have drawstrings, so you do have to tie them, but they didn't have this time, so I opted for this unscented one. But you can see 14 bags per pack. It's also from their essentials line. They're tall kitchen bags, loop tie closure. And of course my aluminum foil, which I'm still faithful to. 40 sheets, 40 square feet in terms of sheets, and not bad. Again, for storage, to pack away some poultry and whatnot, these are really great. Also, I was running out of envelopes. They have a great selection of stationaries, tape, envelopes, masking tape, a number of and school supplies. It's like their school supplies stationery section at the Dollar Tree, and you can see 40 envelopes per pack. Not bad. Mead is a really great brand, so it's really worth the $1.25. My makeup wipes, I love my makeup wipes. They really do come in handy. And witch hazel, it does have a nice soothing, calming scent. This is by Global Beauty Care, and you can see 30 sheets per package. I like it, and I really like it. I like their kind of yellow aesthetic, their yellow coloring for the packaging. I recommend these. Now these, I think I mentioned in my last haul, these are really helpful. I want to say, I didn't think that they would. I said, well, let me give them a try. They are really worth the $1.25. I know that sometimes it can come in liquid formulas, so the anti-fog, liquid formula that you can put in your glasses. I'm a big mask user. I still use my mask, and yes, it has a tendency to fog, because especially since we're still kind of in the chilly temps. It's not super hot, it's not super spring yet, so your glasses have a tendency to fog up. So I will say though, 1 towelette per not per lens, but per set of glasses. So I would use 1 towelette per glasses. So if don't share the towelette, because then it really won't be worth the bang for your buck. But if you have just a single pair of glasses, this is definitely worth it. You can see 6 towelettes per package. I picked up at least 3 today because they really do come in handy. So again, if you find yourself, you're not in an area where you can buy liquid, or if you're heading on a trip, or if you're in the airport and in a pinch, these are really great to keep in stock. So it is their Zeiss. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the brand correctly, but it's Zeiss. But yeah, anti-fog wipes, really great. Now, in terms of their spring decorations, I picked up, I think I already bought a bush, but it's similar to this one, but it has like some butterflies. I didn't want any more butterflies. I think the ones that I have that are white are nice enough. I just didn't want a mismatch of colors because they come in blue and yellow. But as you can see, this is Dollar Tree's onion grass. And I think they complement any basket, any Easter basket, or just decor. I'm putting them in like, I guess you can say makeshift vase in my bathroom, and it looks really pretty. I do enjoy it. So I picked up another bush before they go because I want to say once Easter is over, these might not be available anymore. So I picked up at least another bush. And if I put it in a basket, yeah, I'll let you guys know. And I want to make mention this really adorable, sophisticated sign. Tell me that this is not something that you would find at a farmer's market. Really pretty. So I don't know, I may even leave it on my kitchen table because look how it complements, even though these aren't carrots. Yes, we know, they're lemons. But yeah, who's to say I can't put carrots? So they look really nice. I think they have like this checkerboard effect in pink and I think maybe a baby blue, but I liked it in black. So if you see it in my background, or you know, I may even put it in my bathroom for bathroom decor. I'll keep you guys updated, but I like it. I like how nice and sophisticated, and you can see it's from their, you know, decor section. So really nice. I was really pleased with this purchase, and as you can see, I can even add the onion grass here, and it looks really nice. Very farmhouse effect. Now this is from Five and Below. Picked up a bottle today. They have this really nice in their exercise section. Really pretty. I really like this. I mean, it tells you like if you're definitely on some new like exercise kick or at the gym and you just want to know like how much you're consuming per hour, not bad. I think this was really cool. And this latch is really cool because also it prevents spills and leaks. So, you know, you remove this latch and then you press here and it opens. Look how cute that is. That's adorable. So, and they come in a variety of colors. Forgive me, this is a little hard when you're holding your camera, but see, it cinches. They come in, I think, a green and maybe a light blue or even a gray at Five and Below. But again, and it has a nice little cute handle. How adorable. It looks like a little heart. You could just kind of grab it like that. It works great. And you know, if you're even on a picnic or something or a bike ride, this is perfect. This is ideal. Not bad for $5 at Five and Below. Also, I had to pick up my Jelly Bellies. I really like these. I picked up a kids pack last time I went to Five and Below, and now I guess this is like the adult version. But again, the flavors are really fun. The calories aren't anything crazy. You can stuff them in like a nice Easter basket, or you know, keep them around the house, you know, in case, you know, say you work from home and you just want a little snack break. Not bad. 20 flavors per package. Not bad. Also, I forgot to mention from the Dollar Tree before I hopped on to Five and Below, these are new. These are new at my branch. I've seen other YouTubers from across the nation mentioned, and I think in other channels or other states they have a variety. Like I even think they have like, you know, seeds that will grow tomatoes and lemons, I think. But this, they've only brought the flower kind, and they're really cute. So I thought they would be great. Maybe for like Mother's Day. I'll keep you guys posted and let you know if this genuinely does work. I opted for their Daisies Grow Kit. I think they have forget-me-nots and I think a number of other flowers. But as you can see, it says includes pot, seeds, growing medium, and instructions. But I love this yellow. It just kind of like was just kind of leapt out at me, so I opted for one just to let you guys know if it's really worth the $1.25. But for now, I really like it. I really dig it. I'll keep you guys posted. Now lastly, we'll just get into the Max deals. Now I will say Max deals is a great benefit when you don't have access to like maybe a Michael's. There used to be one in New York, but something happened. I don't know, maybe it was the rent. You know, New York is getting expensive, so the closest Michael's I would have now is probably in Jersey or Westchester. So a Max Deals really does come in handy, especially when it comes to DIYs, which I'm thinking of doing. I might explore doing something in terms of like Selena, since I know this weekend a number of people will be celebrating things that are Selena friendly. And that's my little hint to you guys. So I needed some rhinestones, and they have these really pretty red rhinestones, and they come in this little adorable glass jar. So this is nice. Even if I used all these up, I can like repurpose the little bottle. I love it. This is their craft medley rhinestone gems, and they come in, I believe, blue, pink, yellow, maybe orange, and they're $2, you know, per glass jar, but I think they're worthy. Something tells me I might have more red, but if I do, that's not an issue. But they didn't have white, so I had to opt for this other version. But I don't need that many white, so I opted for this, and this is not too bad. Also by Craft Medley, and they come in white, pink, baby blue, and like a purple. So I will find a purpose for all of these. But yes, I'm looking forward to this next project I have in mind. So if you guys like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below in the comment section. If you like my hauls, my DIYs, or my reviews, and I have a number of them that are coming, please hit the subscription button and notification button so you can be alerted of my next review, DIY, and haul. So until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl.